Hello everyone.
The fingers are pointing to singer Zandie Khumalo as the mastermind behind Senzo Meyiwa's murder. As the trial continues at the High Court in Pretoria, Zandie Khumalo accused number one of the 5 men accused of killing Meyiwa, provided the court with a written confession and statement claiming they were paid 100,000 rand to carry out the alleged hit on the former Bafana Bafana captain. He implicated Khumalo as the one who ordered the hit. It was also revealed that Zandie Khumalo had contacted one of the accused just hours before Meyiwa's murder. Since the damning reports, Khumalo's sister, Zandie Khumalo, took it to her social media platform again to encourage her sister to prove her innocence. She shared a family photo on Instagram and wrote, "Bo mashobane, sekuseduze phambili, God is at work." Isilungu sithi lies will travel halfway across the world, while the truth is still putting on its shoes and trying laces. Seliqedile ke iqiniso ukufaka izicathulo aloqale uhambo. She basically said, "We are almost there, God is at work." There's an English that says lies will travel halfway across the world while the truth is still putting on its shoes, trying its laces. The truth has finally finished putting its shoes on and the journey must begin. Since the beginning of the trial, Zandie has stood by Kelly. Kelly has been dragged on social media, and there are people who believe that Khumalo is guilty of ordering the hit on her then boyfriend. In January, Zandie took to her timeline to say, "I will stand with you forever because I know your heart and I know Senzo is standing with you wherever he is. You know we are lions, we don't worry about sheep's opinions." What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.